The Lord be with you. Have a blessed Monday, everyone. Today, our Gospel from St. John, chapter 12, verses 1 to 11, is reminding us all of our true desire to help the poor. Many people are saying that they are pro-poor, but in reality, they are using the poor in order to promote themselves. Sounds familiar? That's what's happening most of the time with some of our government officials. Well, I will not mention who, but we know that sometimes they say, I am pro-poor, but in reality, they wanted you to be poor so that they will remain in power. That is exploitation. And that is what Jesus is against. Sometimes we are disguising in the name of service, in the name of the poor. We are full of pretensions. In this Holy Week, let us ask the Lord to purify our intentions, to purify the desires of our heart, so that our servanthood should really be aligned to the intention of God. That is one thing that I pray to God before I become priest on my ordination. Lord, purify my intentions, purify my desires, purify my heart, so that my heart and my intentions and desires will be aligned according to your heart and your desires and intentions for me. Let that be our prayer for this Holy Monday.